One brother in a notable fraud trial is out of that case after cutting a plea deal with prosecutors.
Yeah, Stephen Jenson pleaded no contest to 3 counts of communications fraud, while trial continues for his brother Mark, who had some past associations with Utah's former attorneys general.
Brian Malachi is live outside the Matheson courthouse with a story. Brian, this was a big surprise.
It was a surprise to us, at least today. Here it was in the middle of the trial, and Stephen Jenson gets the plea deal. So trial continues for Mark Jenson. For Steve, it's over.
He's out of it. He's done. 4 years. It's done.
It's been a long time.
Very long time.
The brothers Jenson, Stephen and Mark, are no longer co-defendants in a criminal case in which prosecutors allege several investors were ripped off of more than $2 million. This after Stephen Jenson pleaded no contest to 3 counts of communications fraud.
As the case went on, this case was much less about Steve Jenson, much more about Mark Jenson and his involvement with the Attorney General's office.
Our position has been all along that Mark has been kind of the lead on this.
Prosecutor Tim Taylor says no plea deal in the works for Mark Jenson, a man who says he paid for the ex-attorneys general, Mark Shurtleff and John Swallow, to stay at a posh resort in hopes they'd go easy on his legal troubles, and a man said to be the intended source of an alleged bribe, which Shurtleff reportedly discussed on a recording. Mark Jenson's lawyer may try to call the ex-AGs as witnesses.
Are you still going to try to compel the testimony of Shurtleff and Swallow?
No, we still do anticipate compelling all of the relevant testimony from the witnesses here.
So yes, the answer is yes.
That's right.
The former attorneys general have denied wrongdoing. Pictures of the Mount Holly area from our media partner, the Salt Lake Tribune. And as for the plea deal, it calls for restitution by Stephen Jenson, but about $280,000, that's pennies on the dollar, for the trio of investors who say they put in a total of more than $2 million. Mark, Christina, back to you.
All right, Brian, thank you.